What comes to your mind when you hear the word communication? Are you one of those who believe that speaking fluent English makes you an effective communicator? Do you even realize that the quality of your communication will determine how successful or how happy you are in your life? Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. Today, I want to focus on communication. I believe communication is the sharing of information and emotions in order to create a common understanding. Let me explain. There is a sender and a receiver in communication. Now, whether the communication is verbal or non-verbal, the sender wants the receiver to understand what she or he means. And so effective communication is when the receiver responds to what the sender means rather than what is just said. However, very often in our life, people don't respond the way we expect them to. And while it is true that you cannot predict another individual's response, there are a few things which we can do to improve our in-person communication. Three things which I suggest that you do are listen, observe, and understand. The first thing is listen. Listen to what the other person is saying. Listen actively and attentively. The second thing is observe. Observe the non-verbal communication of the other person. Is it in line with what they are saying in words? If not, ask questions. And the third thing is to understand. Now, to understand, you need to listen as well as observe. It would help you to understand the other person's map of the world. A map of the world, in simple terms, is an individual's worldview. We all have our own unique view of the world, which is shaped by our experiences and our perceptual filters. And we often interpret what is being said through our own map of the world. And so, the more you understand the other person's map of the world, the more effective you could be as a communicator. Now, you may say, hang on, what is new? I've heard these things before. My question is, did you listen? If you knew all of this already, were you applying it in your life? You see, there's a difference between knowledge and application of that knowledge. Knowledge isn't going to change your life. Application will. Listen what the person is saying, observe their non-verbal communication, and understand their map of the world. And when you do this over a period of 30 days, you will see what a difference it makes in your own communication. You will realize how you are growing into an effective communicator. If you like what I'm doing, do click on that like button. If you would like to watch more such videos, subscribe to my channel. And if there's anything that you would particularly like to hear on self-development, do let me know. I'm listening.